Hi, hello everyone. Myself, Dr. Prasad Putila. My class series on design thinking concept. In my previous class video, I have detailed the history and understanding of design thinking. The design thinking, it actually started with or began with the following three steps. That is to understand, improve, and apply. And later on, the concepts based on the D school. The concept it has been divided or consists of 5 core steps like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Before we move on to separate classes on empathize, define, ideate, prototype, as well as test or testing, I would like to have, or I felt that this particular class video will be helpful to understand about the consulting firms who truly work on this concept. I'm not ranking any of these firms. I'm just introducing few of them. First one, that is IDEO. IDEO's history, it dates back to 1978 when David Kelly, a founder of Stanford University's Hasso-Platter Institute of Design, that is the D School, established his a design firm and called it DKD, that is David Kelly Design. In 1991, David Kelly, together with two more partners, Bill Mogridge and Mike Notal, they merged their existing companies to form a new one. This is how IDEO was born in Palo Alto, California. Since its beginning, IDEO has been applying design thinking to create digital and physical products with a positive impact. From manufacturing the Apple's first mouse, IDEO has grown to one of the top global design thinking companies with over 700 employees, 5 offices across the United States, and 4 international branches in London, Munich, Shanghai, and Tokyo. IDEO strives to ask big global questions that affect everyone and solve the challenges together with their clients. Second one, that is RGA. Like IDEO, RGA, it is a global innovation consulting company with a long history. In 1977, Robert Greenberg founded R. Greenberg Associates with his brother, who was a designer, Richard Greenberg. From 1977's Roseland to 1996 Eraser, the agency has been responsible for title designs of films, movies, including Superman, Alien, Ghostbuster, Lethal Weapon, The Untouchables, Die Hard, Home Alone, a few of them. RGA organization, it is unique that it has restructured its business model every 9 years. Since their journey started in 1977, RGA transformed from being a computer-assisted filmmaking company to a global innovation and consulting company with 17 branches all over the world. RGA unites innovation design thinkers and consultants with data scientists, marketing experts to create a world-class digital experience and help companies with a strategic vision and business transformations. RGA partnered with notable branches such as Walmart, PepsiCo, Nike, just to name a few. Next one, that is fantasy. David Hughes Martin founded Fantasy in 1999 with a mighty mission to impact user experience through bold designs. Fantasy is a team of more than 70 professionals of different backgrounds and experiences working across 3 offices in New York, San Francisco, and London. Fantasy has expertise in the healthcare industry, hospitality and leisure, entertainment and media, finance, technology, to name a few. Its clients' portfolio, it is diverse and impressive. Being among the pioneers in design industry, Fantasy has partnered with notable clients such as Tesla, Google, Dolby, Netflix, and Walmart. Next one, that is UX Studio. David Pastor, a true UX designer. Now, what is UX design? That I'll be explaining in my coming class series. He is a true UX design ambassador and a former TED Talk speaker. He founded UX Studio in 2013 with the goal to become a global product design company and create impactful digital experiences. Since 2013, UX Studio has worked with over 250 companies worldwide, and their portfolio lists notable clients such as Netflix, Google, HBO, and United Nations World Food Programs, just name a few. Now let us see some of the consulting firms which are even launched in India. KPMG, that is Klinveld, Piet, Marwick, Jodler. It is formed with the merger of two companies, namely Klinveld, Main, Jodler, and Piet Marwick International, that is KMG and PMI. The name KPMG is derived from the initials of the founding members, in which K represents Piet Klinveld, P represents William Barclay Piet, M represents Marwick, G represents Dr. Reinhard Jodler. Established in 1987, and today the network of KPMG exists in 155 countries with more than 174,000 employees. In India, KPMG was established in September 1993 with offices in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Chennai, Gurgaon, Kochi, Mumbai, Noida, Vadodara, etc. In India, it has more than 2,700 companies as its clients. Bain and Company. It is an American management consulting company which was founded in 1973 by Bill Bain and his colleague Patrick F. Graham. Since 2006, it has launched in India and has advised clients in India and beyond on their biggest issues and opportunities like strategy, organization, operations, private equity, mergers and acquisitions across all industries. They work with more than 125 clients, including at least one of the top 3 players in all 13 of the country's major industries. Deloitte. Deloitte Toshe Tomatsu Limited. Pardon me if I not pronounce it properly. Commonly referred to as the Deloitte, is an international professional service network with headquarters at London, England. The firm was founded by William Welch Deloitte in London in 1845 and expanded into the United States in 1890. In India, since 1976, Deloitte offers a range of audit, risk advisory, tax, consulting, and financial advisory services across 13 cities. BCG, Boston Consulting Group. The Boston Consulting Group, it is a global management consulting firm and the world's leading advisor on business strategy. It was founded in 1963 by Bruce Henderson. BCG is a private company with more than 80 offices in 45 countries. McKinsey and Company. It is a global management consulting firm founded in 1926 by University of Chicago professor James O. McKinsey that offers professional services to corporations, governments, and other organizations. It is a global management consulting firm, and in India, the consulting story was begun in 1990s when C.K. Birla, the Birla Group of companies, requested McKinsey to devise a turnaround project for Hindustan Motors. Soon, McKinsey opened an office in Delhi, employing about 100 consultants. EY, building a better working world at Ernst Young Global Limited, with a trade name EY, is a multinational professional service partnership with headquartered in London, England. It is one of the largest professional services network in the world. It was founded in 1989 at England, the United Kingdom. The two founders of Ernst & Young were Arthur Young and Alvin C. Ernst. The first member firm of EY Global in India was founded in 1914 in Kolkata. Strategy and It is a strategy consulting business unit of PricewaterhouseCoopers, one of the big four professional service firms. Founded by Edwin G. Bose as Business Research Service in Chicago in 1914, the firm underwent numerous name changes before settling on Bose Allen Hamilton in 1943. The PwC Strategy and the India Private Limited is a private incorporated on 14th July 2009. LEK Consulting, it is a global strategy consulting firm based in London, Boston. It was founded in 1983 by three partners, Richard Koch, Lane Evans, James Lawrence from the Bain and Company. LDK focuses on corporate strategy, marketing and sales, mergers and acquisitions, and operations. LDK Consulting India Private Limited is a private incorporated on 1st September 2017. Mercer. Mercer Limited, it was a Canadian firm founded by William Manson Mercer in 1945. In 1975, the Mercer became a wholly owned subsidiary of Marsh and McLennan Companies Incorporation. In 2002, they were changed their corporate name to Mercer Human Resource Consulting, and the company became Mercer, the present name, in 2007. Mercer Consulting India Private Limited, it was founded in 1997. I have given the details of a few. There are many other firms which works based on design thinking concepts like Next Continent, Protivity, Umlaut, Cedar, Coordinates Worldwide, etc. We can check the website of different consulting firms which works on design thinking. It is very interesting to note that many consulting firms become worldwide, recognized worldwide, and many people having the design thinking ability are working with them. In my next video, I'll be lecturing, or in my next video lecture, I'll be covering few important companies which improved their business with the design thinking concept by their own design thinkers, or by using the help of these consulting firms. Before I start my classes on empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, I would like to detail those companies and what are the important design thinking concept they used to improve their business. Right now, this is the end of this video lecture. I'm signing out from this video lecture. Thank you for watching.